Okay, to operate this machine, you need to turn on the machine. So let it be for several seconds to reboot. Okay, this is a main display for the ECG. So right now, as you can see here, is a auto mode, and this one is how you gonna print in the paper here. So 3 channels mean 3 times 4 plus leads 2. Okay, so later I show you how does it look. So freeze button is like I mentioned just now, freeze button. So when we press the freeze button, it will freeze the reading. Okay, you press back to normal lah. Okay, and then this is amplitude button, how millimeters per MV for the ECG to fluctuate. Okay, so as you can see here, some doctors prefer 10 millimeter, but you can set to auto here, so it will print out whatever suitable millimeter MV for that ECG reading. Okay, this is the scanning speed. If you increase the speed, so you see the black dot coming faster. Okay, and then as you press this button, okay, you can see here a menu button here, where you can see a lot of print button, work mode button, and filter buttons. All these things are preset button, so you don't have to change anything. Okay, and a file button is where you locate. Okay, for the file button, where you locate the previous reading of the patient. Okay, and then if some doctors don't want to print out physically, so the doctor can store it in their PC, in the soft copy mode. Okay, just click any patient they preferred. For example, I want to copy this to patient info. Okay, see, just click on the round button and then print whatever format they prefer. Usually they prefer PDF, but you can have an Excel format just by clicking on this button. Okay, SML button. Okay, so usually SML button is Excel format. So PDF button where you can view figuratively. Okay, so once you decide whatever format that you prefer, so you need to have a pen drive. Just stick it in here. Alright, this is a pen drive button. So once you stick the pen drive inside the USB port, okay, all you need to do is to click the to USB button. Okay, just click it. Okay, since I didn't connect the USB part, you can try it when you demo this machine to the doctors. Okay, okay, and then recall means you recall the patient data. Okay, and then help buttons where you can find what are the meaning of the ECG reading. Okay, and then it will show you how to connect all those bulb and clamps on the patient. Okay, and I believe all the nurses are very familiar how to connect the bulb and the clamp, so that thing you don't have to worry. Okay, so info button, like I said in the previous videos, where you key in all the data. So if the doctor don't want to key in the data, it's okay. You just they will create automatically the ID, and then you just can refer back to the files here. Okay, and then if you press, okay, and then if you press this button again, so the last screen will show you the AC 50 Hz. All these things are preset. You don't have to click anything. Okay, this is the battery indicator. Okay, this one is a back button, and this one is a connection. If it's a connect with electronic medical records or EMR. Okay, okay. So like I said, the auto got 3. So manual, this one is a lead 2. So where the doctor only see the lead 2 button, and then you press again the manual button. Okay, as you can see here, this is the lead that I mentioned. If you click, let's say you want to print one, let's say you want to print AVR, AVL and AVF only, you just need to click this button, and then the purple color will turns to this group of leads. Okay, so all you need to do is just print out this button. See, they will print out the group that you choose. Okay, so it depends on the doctor preference, but what I suggest is just stick to the auto mode button. Okay, auto mode button, 3 channel plus 1, so every leads will be printed out with leading leads to ECG reading, where this leads to the doctor sees the abnormalities of the ECG reading. Okay, and the rest is a preset button, so just stay in this mode and use by connecting all the wires with the bulb and the clamp. Okay, to connect the ECG wires, just click on this button. See, you can see a label patient here, so you just need to click the ECG wires to this port, not this port. Okay, this port is for printing. Okay, this port